Hi, I'm Jen Snyder, and I want to personally welcome you to AAA Learning Institute. If you're here, I believe you were called for a reason. I truly believe that every single person who feels the pull toward this work is called with a purpose. Even if you're not sure what that purpose looks like just yet, your presence here deeply matters. My own journey into this work is very personal. I lost my fiance, a state trooper that I loved, to suicide. In the aftermath, I struggled with severe PTSD. I tried everything: accelerated resolution therapy, over 10 months of EMDR, sometimes up to 3 times a week, and weekly group meetings alongside Save a Warrior alumni. Even with all of that, I wasn't getting better. It was psilocybin that finally opened the door to real healing. That experience changed my life and gave me a new mission to help others access this medicine safely, responsibly, and with deep respect for its power to heal. That's why I created AAA Learning Institute. Here you'll find more than just education. You'll find community, purpose, and the opportunity to make a real career out of helping others. Imagine building a meaningful life, doing work that you love, and earning between $100 to $150 an hour in a growing industry, while creating a ripple effect of healing that touches families, communities, and even the world. Our state license program is designed to set you up for success. We offer a flexible 11-week certification training that combines self-paced online learning, live virtual classes, and an in-person practicum that brings everything together in powerful hands-on experience. When you complete the program, you'll receive a certificate of completion, positioning you to step confidently into facilitation work and start making an impact right away. And we're making it accessible. Payment plans start as low as $153 per month. And right now we're offering $750 off our standard tuition for the in-service center practicum. Spaces are limited, so if you feel that pull in your heart, now is the time to apply and secure your spot. My deepest belief is that your unique story, your energy, and your passion will naturally draw the people you're meant to serve. Your tribe will find you. And when you step into your calling, you'll create a ripple of healing far beyond yourself. Right now, we're accepting applications for upcoming cohorts. If you're ready to start your journey, I invite you to apply today. And if you'd like to connect with me personally, I would love to meet with you. You can book time directly on my calendar. I'd be honored to talk with you about your goals and help you see if this path is right for you. My commitment is to walk alongside you every step of the way as you grow into the facilitator you're meant to be. This is not just a career, it's a calling, and it's one that changes lives, including your own. Thank you so much for being here, and I hope to see you inside the program soon.